Hi, today we are going to learn about identifying patterns. Let's look at a problem. Solve. The first figure has area 2. Each figure is made of congruent squares. What is the area of the next figure? Now here we have 1 square, here 2, here 3, here 4 squares, here 5 squares. So the next figure is going to have 6 squares in it. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Now, area of one square is given as 2 square units. So, area of two squares will be, since they are congruent squares, 2 times 2 square units, that's 4 square units. So, the area will be 2 here. 2 can be written as 1 cross 2. Area will be 4 here. 4 can be written as 2 cross 2. We can see the pattern. So, for this area will be 3 cross 2. Since 3 squares and area for 1 square is 2 square units. For fourth figure, area will be 4 cross 2. For fifth figure, area will be 5 cross 2. So for the sixth figure, area will be 6 cross 2. That's 12 square units. Which is the answer in the C part. We can highlight it. Next problem. Solve. Into how many pieces is the square divided in the next figure? We have one piece here, one single square. Now two pieces, one rectangle and one rectangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces. So in the next figure, square should be divided into 6 pieces. And the figure should look like this. This should be an extra line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Which is the answer in the D part. We can highlight it. Next problem. Solve. Assuming that each line cuts the smallest piece into two congruent pieces, if the perimeter of the original square is 64, what is the perimeter of the smallest rectangle in the next figure? Since perimeter of original square is 64 and perimeter of square is given by 4 times side, so side of square will be given by 64 by 4. That's 16 square units. Sorry, 16 units. Side is units. 16 units. So all the sides are 16 units here. Now this line is dividing this square, the first square, into two congruent pieces. Means the side is also getting divided. So this remains 16 and 16 only. This becomes 8 and 8 here. Now in the next figure, this line is dividing the above piece. So 16, 8, they remain the same. This is 16. This becomes 4 and this becomes 4 here. This is divided. Now in the next figure, we have 16. This is 8. This is 4. They remain the same. Now the very top box gets divided into 2 and 2. Now what should be the next figure? This box, the above box, this will be divided. So let me make it. We'll have the figure like this. The first rectangle, the second rectangle, the third rectangle, and the fourth rectangle will be divided like this. This will be 16, this will be 8, 4, then 2, and this will be divided into 1 and 1. And I need to find the perimeter of the smallest rectangle in the next figure. This means this rectangle. So let me make it on the side. 16 is the length, since square parallel lengths are equal, and this is 1 and this is 1. So the perimeter is given by sum of all the sides. So 16 plus 1 plus 16 plus 1. 16 plus 16, 32. 1 plus 1, 2. So 34 units, which is the answer in the B part. We can highlight. I hope you can practice more problems on identifying patterns now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.